Rachmaninoff.
YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Now again, if you watch my previous two videos, you know I'm dropping three parts to this unboxing, reviews, on foot, all that. So this is the last video. This is the third of the three videos, and we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Caitlin Clark PE. So hit this pair off a Nike sneakers app. So in fact, I hit for two pairs, so I'm gonna put the other pair on my eBay page at down1914. And let's go ahead and unbox the shoe. I don't want to waste no clock. This is the third video of today. So if you haven't seen the other two, go back and watch that. You know, I'll put it up on a playlist. And let's go ahead and get these out, man, and get right into it. So if you're OG, welcome back to the channel today. New subscribers, if you're into fits and kicks, you're in the right place. Thank you for joining the video and subscribing. So classic Kobe box that all the Kobe's been coming in lately. For sure. Snake skin print, Kobe signature on the front in that gold. Got the Mamba sign right on this side, and on this side you get the Nike in gold and the Mamba sign. So let's go ahead and get it to the sizing label. Right there. Sizing label does read Kobe 5 PROTRO CC, which is Caitlin Clark, PE, coconut milk, bright spruce. So yeah, fire, coconut milk. I've seen these because I got the other pair that I already looked at. On that part, these Kobe's been all becoming the same. So black and gold paper with the Mamba sign. And you get another sheet of paper, and then there are the shoes. Let's go ahead and hop right into it and waste no clock. Yeah. So these are these did sell out. So you will have to go on the secondary market to cop these if you're looking for a pair. But yeah, first looks. Go ahead and flip that around. Yeah, there you have it. You got that. They do come with extra laces, so that spruce lace right there, and you got the black Nike on that lace bag. To make sure your lace bag comes like that with the red going above right here across the top where you open it at. Clear lace bag. Stuff that in here, and actually, it's cool. I just stuff it inside. All right, cool. So let's get right into the review, man. Outside of the shoe, you got those different colors. You got that green, and these look. I mean, I know what they're calling them. Like they call them with the spruce. What are they calling these again? Bright spruce, but it looks teal to me. So I'm gonna call them teal green. And hopefully the video is coming up where they look green, because in some videos I was looking at and some reviews they look blue. So this is definitely green. It's like a teal green. You got to hit a teal green, red right there on the forefoot. You got your carbon fiber right there coming out the middle of the outsole. Then you got that teal green Mamba sign right there on the heel with that coconut milk. Up to the midsole, combination of coconut milk. Got that green, the teal green. I like how this goes around the top before you hit to the toe box with that coconut milk. I like how it wraps around the toe cap and all the way around. It just gives it a unique type of look when they break up the color blocking like that. Instead of making it all one color, I like when they break it up like that. Moving up to the mid of the shoe, you got that like teal green right there on the lateral and medial side. On the medial side, you got the perforated holes right here up at the top. I love when shoes add perforated holes. I don't know why. This, in my opinion, I guess because I'm old school. I don't know. It just makes the shoe look better on the toe box. You see, you got the holes as well. Perforated holes. I just like the way that looks, and the whole shoe is like a fly wire. I don't know. Yeah, it's fly wire. It's not fly knit. The fly knit is that different material. This is like fly wire material, so it's very light, made for basketball for sure. Coconut milk laces. You got that teal green going around right above the eyelets or the lace holes, which is fire. And then here's a nice touch I like. I did like that they added a pop of red right here on the top of the tongue with the Mamba sign and that coconut milk. That's dope, man. That's a nice pop On the back, of course, you got the Kobe signature in that green. Coconut milk, all back tab. Inside, or the sock liner is that it's like a silky type of material, nylon type of material with the green. And then let me take this out. Your shoe paper. The tongue as well, going down the front of the tongue, is mesh. And then the insole, you get that green with the Mamba sign in that coconut milk, green insole. Let me see here, there's nothing on the back of the tongue or anything, no special markings to let you know that this is a PE. You got Nike Zoom right here on the heel of the shoe, blended in with that coconut milk. But that's one great, oh yeah, and the swoosh is outlined in black, so kind of makes the swoosh pop out a lot. Here's my thing though, this is a Caitlin Clark PE. I just hope that they start putting something on the shoe to let us know that this is a Caitlin Clark PE. You know, maybe in the inside, on the back of the tongue, somewhere to let us know that this is definitely her PE, right? Carbon fiber right here, peeking through on the medial side. And this part right here on the back of the heel, wrap it around, is mesh. So it's a tough mesh, but it is a mesh material. So other than that, man, there's nothing different on the right shoe compared to the left shoe. And yeah, that's the review pretty much. So comment in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this pair? You like them enough to go ahead and cop them off the secondary market since they're sold out pretty much everywhere? Let me know. This is a nice color, man. It's a nice color. I would say for the summer. They did release it, you know, just in time. Again, comment down in the comment section below. How do you feel about this pair? I'm gonna go ahead and throw these on feet for you to give you an on foot look. So if you stayed this far into the end of the video, I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, share the channel. And until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rob. Rock man enough.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life in 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done.